Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Easy Texture plugin. This powerful tool simplifies applying textures to your three-dimensional models, making your workflow much more efficient. We'll cover everything from initial setup to advanced techniques, ensuring you can confidently enhance your projects. Get ready to transform your designs with realistic and detailed surfaces in just a few simple steps. Once your object is ready, applying a basic texture is incredibly straightforward. Simply select the surface you wish to texture, then open the Easy Texture panel. You'll find a wide array of preloaded materials and the option to import your own. Just drag and drop your chosen texture directly onto the selected area. You can then fine-tune its appearance, adjusting the scale and rotation to achieve the perfect look for your model. Beyond basic application, the Easy Texture plugin offers robust advanced controls for truly customizing your surfaces. You can precisely adjust tiling and offset values to ensure your texture repeats seamlessly across any surface. Explore different projection methods like planar, cylindrical, or spherical mapping for complex geometries. The layering feature allows you to combine several textures, and blending modes provide creative ways to achieve unique visual effects, adding depth and realism. To ensure smooth performance, especially with larger projects, it's crucial to optimize your texture resolution. Using textures that are too high resolution for their purpose can slow down your software. Consider grouping similar objects before applying textures to streamline your workflow. Don't forget to save your custom material presets. This will save you valuable time on future projects. Finally, always keep your Easy Texture plugin updated to access the latest features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.